In this lecture, we're going to learn how to draw the human head in profile view. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do when I'm drawing the head is I always start off with the circle because that's the basic shape of the human head. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in like so. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add in my jawline. So my jawline is going to be down here about like so. And so then we're going to bring it up like this. And then we're going to go ahead and bring that across the front like so and sort of curve it. So we need to draw this basic shape with a circle and then sort of a curved trapezoid type of shape down here at the bottom for my jawline and my chin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in my neck. So the neck is going to come in just a little bit underneath this curve right here on the back of the head. We'll go ahead and add that in like so. And then this part is going to start about there. And depending on whether you're doing a guy or a girl or how muscular your character is, that's going to determine how thick your neck will be. Next, we're going to go ahead and find out where the middle of this face is so we know where to put our eyes. So I'm thinking right about here is where my eye should be. All right, perfect. Next, I want to go ahead and find my 2/3 point. So I'm going to go ahead and find the 2/3 point down here. And then find the 1/3 point right about there, maybe a little bit lower, just like so. So now I know where my nose and my lips are going to go, and my eyes. Next, we want to go ahead and draw the profile contouring line shape of the head. So starting right here, we're going to start with the brow. So we want to come in just a little bit from this line we've already drawn, and then we're going to pop that out like so. And depending on what your character looks like, that's going to determine how the brow needs to be shaped. If it's a guy, the brow might be a little bit bigger and protrude a little bit more, meaning it'll come out a little bit more. And if it's a girl, it might be less strong. So let's go ahead and draw that in, and then it's going to come up and curve up into the top of the head like so. So now we have our brow. Next, let's go ahead and add the nose. So the nose is going to just come off like so. And a lot of people have the misconception that it's like the number 7, and that's because the number 7 is kind of the basic shape of a nose. You can actually sketch in the number 7 upside down if you want to and use that as a base, but then you want to take that a little bit further. So you have the top face of the nose, and then you want to go ahead and add in this face right here, which is sort of not the bottom face, but it's sort of an under face of the nose. And then that needs to come around and curve in to the lips like so. And then we can go ahead and add in those nostrils. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a curved line underneath there like so. And then you can add the top of the nostril just like this. And then let's go ahead and add in the lips. So the lips start at the top of the nose, and then they're going to go ahead and just come down and curve like so down to where your lips need to be. And since this is a guy, we're going to make his chin a little bit bigger by bringing his lips up just a little bit. So we're going to start the top of the lips right here, and we'll go ahead and add the bottom part of the lips right there. And the bottom part of the lips are basically just going to be almost like a raindrop shape, and then the top of them are going to be sort of like a triangle, like so. And then we could go ahead and add in that chin. So there's the under part of the mouth that comes in like so. And then the bottom part of the chin is going to go ahead and protrude out like this. And then we can go ahead